Hello, I'm David Cloak. We're going to start off with the Android app. I have my real phone here set up. I have it. I have my real phone set up and an emulation. To show the reCAPTCHA, we'll do this real quick. And if you look on the left side while I do it, you see that I have the true phone. This is to show device ID. I should only be able to log into this account on the real phone. So that's done. I'll hit login. Nothing should happen. It should tells me check the email password or make sure I'm on the right device. So if I hit login now on the real phone, I'm let through. Oops. Before proceeding, we're actually going to uninstall the app. And if you would like to proceed along with me, I'll move this actually into the front, my bad. You can go to the website, which is Vote Shield. I'll share the site, I guess. Okay, mouse. You can proceed along with me. We'll start on the home page. Just hit the hamburger button, hit get the app, hit the the icon, hit OK. You'll download it, hit open, hit install. You'll be prompted with some warnings and whatnot because we didn't go through. You'll be prompted with some warnings and so forth because we didn't go through the Play Store. We didn't want to pay the $25. Yep. While we wait a little bit, I guess, to see the second download will work, we'll actually move on to the site. I'll log out. This is what you're displayed with. If you're a user, you won't be an admin. The account I was just in was the admin, and you can view the politicians, read their descriptions, and so forth. We'll log in though with the admin. So email. This requires an auth. We'll open up the authenticator. Now it's still blacked out. I would have liked to display it. But yeah, we'll go into it and then we'll enter. They keep protect you from your own stupidity in case you're displaying your screen as is. But yeah, then we authenticate it, so now we're logged in. Along with doing a reCAPTCHA, which I skipped over, where in which we can create a. We'll display first. We'll display the forms we have. All right. Okay. So we have 3 currently. If you weren't logged in as an admin, you wouldn't see the edit or delete, but you can click view results. And it checks to see if it's finished. So for example, this one's finished, so you can display the results. So we're displaying the results. Each candidate only got 1 vote for this example. We'll edit. So, all right, actually, we'll make a form. We'll call it. We'll do another mayor. We'll do it for Pittsburgh, PA. So we'll go down to Pittsburgh, PA, Pennsylvania. We'll enter Pittsburgh, and we'll select today's date. We'll open it up today. We'll say Joe Bob, and Bob Joe is running. I'll hit save. We'll go to display forms. And then say we made a mistake. If we hit edit, we can say, okay, it wasn't supposed to be Joe Bob. It was actually supposed to be Becky here. So we'll add her and then we'll hit save. All right. Or you could say, we made a mistake. Oh, I edited president, my bad. But as you can see, it does change it. But say we didn't even want mayor to begin with. Like, that was a mistake. So if we hit delete or prompted, if we hit no, we'll just be taken out. Nothing happens. If we hit, but we'll say we do want to delete it. So we'll hit delete and we'll hit yes. Takes a hot minute. And then there, it is gone. Back to the app. I'll see if I can get it connected here again. I don't know why it's not downloading though. It worked before, and it worked for someone else I had test it. Yeah. Well, I'm just going to download it again from the from Android Studios. All right. And AirDroid crashed, so I got it back up, installed through Android Studios. My apologies. Failed for you as well, Mr. Control. Okay. I'm unsure why it's failing now, but yeah, I had Justin Baker test it. He can vouch that it did work a moment ago. All right. All right, so I'll log back in, true phone. And then we'll hit login. We'll hit vote now. We're going to go to Pittsburgh, not Pittsburgh. We're going to go to Pennsylvania. And we're going to enter my hometown, which is Ford City. Then we'll hit next. And we got two. To bring up the site so that you can view, we're just going to. Okay, so we got the three. This is in Alabama, so we're only presented the ones in which we are located. So we only have judge and president because it is national. So if we hit judge, it says when it will open. And if we hit president, it displays the candidates, their information, and we can vote on one. We'll vote for Becky. We'll confirm. Takes a minute, then it takes us back. We'll go back to here and we'll go to Alabama. We'll just keep the city the same to view because the Alabama is statewide. So again, we're presented with president because it's displayed for all 50. We'll hit dog catcher because it is done, and then we're also displayed the results. And that is the presentation then. Thank you for listening. Any questions?
Nice job. Very nice job. Everybody clap. Got the multicolored emojis coming out. All right, Nick or Devin, you got anything to ask or say? No? Okay. All right, I got a question for you.
Yep.
Yeah, that's good. Actually, Devin has a question. Yes, what about your web service?
Oh, what do you want to know about the voting app? I mean, the web service. We send everything through OAuth. I mean, basic auth. Quick to show for the get races. We have several. Everything is through the web service. Creating users. It's for the passwords. They're hashed and salted, or salted and hashed. I guess is probably the better way to say it. I can log in on either. Well, you can't log in on either. You can log in with any account on the website. But you don't really. There's not a real big point to. Reason being is you don't get any special privileges by logging in. See, I'm logged in with the True phone, but it's the same either way. Yeah. Okay.
Awesome. Any other questions, comments? Hey, Brad made it. Did you show us that it was limited to one vote?
I did not. I can show you though.
Yeah.
Give me a moment to open it back up.
You know, the hubbub of the app. I missed a couple things to look at that too, so I want to look at it when it comes up. Good recovery, by the way, on the not install. Yeah, you did a good job getting that back up without getting too flustered.
Thank you. So with the reCAPTCHA, it determines if it has a certain variation to determine if you're a bot. As you see, for the first two, I didn't have to do it on the phone, but here I do. We'll just go through Alabama again, and we'll go to president. So president, I voted for this one already. I'll hit Bob Joe this time. I'll hit yes. It'll take us back, but it says at the bottom already voted.
Thank you. Good. All right, I've seen what I needed.
Okay.
Nice job.
All right. Thank you.
Okay.
I'll stop sharing now.
Excellent. We'll stop the recording.